Before the final song, we gratefully acknowledge the presence of our honorable guests in the graduation and moving up ceremonies of Alternative Learning System Class 2024 to 2025.
To reminisce their not-so-distant past, let us listen to the graduates as they sing the song, Tayo'y Magtagumpay.
Basic. Ay, sorry. My bad. Kanta na kasi namin yan eh. Sa bawat pagsubok, pangarap natin ngayon'y natupad. Buhay sa luha, ating pinuhunan. Ngunit hindi tayo sumuko kailanman. Ngayon ay araw ng tagumpay, mga pangarap abot kamay. Salamat sa lahat ng nagbigay gabay. Tayo'y susulong, handang lumipad. Kinanta namin yan ng graduation namin. Hindi natutunan. Try ko, kabilado ko pa.
Alam mo yung CR guy?
Ngayon ay araw ng tagumpay, mga pangarap kamay. Salamat sa lahat ng nagbigay gabay. May susulong, handang lumipad. Harapin natin ang bukas. Hindi na tayo babalik. Tayo'y susulong. Dala ang pangarap, hubog at dulang. Araw ng tagumpay, mga pangarap abot kamay. Salamat sa lahat ng nabigay gabay. Tayo'y susulong, handang lumipad. Tayo'y susulong, harapin natin ang bukas. Kita pamatsin. Thank you for
Thank you, dear graduates and completers, for such a remarkable rendition of your final song. Indeed, we are very proud of you, that you continue your journey in us.
On behalf of Congressional Districts 1 and 5, ALS family, we congratulate the graduates and completers, their parents, ALS teachers,